What's going on, OTG fam? It's your boy Ace, back at it again. Today, we are going to be sublimating on these 5-panel trucker hats. The reason why it's called 5 panels, because there are 5 panels on this hat. As you can see, the dividers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Usually, hats usually come with an extra stitch down the middle, make it a 6-panel. This is a 5-panel polyester front trucker hat. This is kind of the wave right now out here, especially in New York City for the young boys, and I want to try to make some money off these. So let's get to the press, the hat press that is, and let's see how this works. Epson F570, love this printer. Still trying to figure out how to save the paper, but this is the image that we're going to be using today. Something I threw together real quick. Nipsey Hussle, hustle to motivate. Let's go. All right, guys, so we are now on press. Inside the hat, you can remove the cardboard, just like what you do with any other hat. Make sure you lift this portion of the hat here. For these particular hats, I just found out it's better to snap them as tight as you can. For my particular press, I have this reticulating lock-in thingamajig right here that we're going to use, and it doesn't stretch out the hat unless it's tight at the snap. So you want to get a good stretch. Make sure you keep this flap open or flipped over while on the press. This one I hate. I hate using this one right here. I can't wait to get my hands on that 360 IQ. I will be getting that very soon. All right, so this little cheap Amazon hat press that I have, you gotta kind of finagle it to get the hat semi-even in the middle. I like to do like what I do on a heat press and feel the sides to make sure it's even. I have my image here ready, printed out. Using the Epson F570, it prints the image in reverse, so you'll probably see it regular, and to me, it is reverse. I love that feature. Don't forget, while using any sublimating items, make sure you use your heat tape and make sure you use a butcher paper. So let me cut out some tape now. All you need is 2 little pieces. You don't need too much. Just to hold down your image in place so it won't move and there won't be any ghosting. Let me get a longer piece in there. Yep, there we go. All right. And I'm gonna cut me out a small piece of butcher paper just to go over the front of the hat so that it won't burn or any ghosting will happen. Make sure it's good. I think that's good enough right here. And I'm gonna place my image in the center. I have the heat at 385 for 36 seconds. Like I said, this is my first time sublimating on a hat like this, so hopefully this is the correct settings. You know how the game works. Everything is trial and error when it comes to garment creating. But once you get it down packed, I usually write down whatever findings that I have in my notes on my phone so that I know I can utilize it or refer to it at any time I need to. All right, so I have this here like so. Like I said, this little rinky-dink Amazon hat press, I have to move this portion to line it up correctly so that I can capture the entire image. And let me see, there we go. So So 385, 36 seconds. That's what I usually do when I'm doing masks and socks. The wash test has been proven. Like I said, I'm using the Epson F570. The inks are amazing. You're gonna see the outcome of this right here. Hopefully the image didn't move with this shaky heat hat press right here that I have. 9 seconds left. Definitely a great addition to your business. Like I said, this is the new trend that's been going on out here in New York City. So might as well get on the wave. Let's see how this came out. Woo, came out pretty nice, pretty nice. I probably could have left a little bit longer. You can see some of the ink profoundly on the image. Usually when the image soaks into the hat or the garment, it gets very light. But this came out pretty dope. It looks fire to me. How about you guys? Let me throw it on and show you how it looks. Hold on. What you guys think? What you guys think? Came out pretty dope? I think it did. Anyway, this is your boy OTG Kicks. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. Continue to support. Appreciate you guys. We out.